Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this kind of icy blue makeup look. It is super glam look, but it is very easy to make. So if you guys want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so starting off, I'm going to be priming my lids with the Wet n Wild concealer in the shade Fair. And now I'm just going to be setting it with the Airspun powder. And for this makeup look, I'm going to be using the Daisy Marquez palette. And I'm going to be linking down below her palette. And also I'm going to be putting the names of the shades that I used down below. And as you guys can see, I'm dragging down the eyeshadow kind of like a wing. And now I'm just blending out the edges with this nude shade to make it look more soft. Following with the shade, I think this one's called Dream. I'm going to pop it to make it more shimmery. Now I'm just going to be popping my eyelashes, which I'm using the Saucy lashes. While we wait for that to dry out, I'm going to be finishing the look. And I use the MAC black eyeliner, and now I'm smudging the shadow under my eye. Now we're just popping up the lashes to complete the look. I'm just adding some eyeliner to hide the glue, you already know. I'm using the Lash Paradise waterproof mascara to my bottom lashes. Okay, that was really awkward. But anyways, now I'm putting on the white shade, following with the ring light from the James Charles palette to make it pop more. Now to follow with the face, I'm using my Wet n Wild Coconut Prime Water to prime my face. And also the Master Prime Maybelline Primer. And now I'm going to be using the Fit Me foundation in the shade 128. And I'm just going to blend out everywhere on my face. Okay, next I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star Magic Star Concealer. And this one is on the shade, I don't know what shade this is, but I will put it on the description box. Also, I feel like I'm talking so fast. I'm sorry, you guys. But now I'm contouring my face with the Wet n Wild contour stick in the shade, I'm pretty sure this is light medium. Okay, so now I usually always use a brush to contour my nose instead of a beauty blender because it's like way easier. Now I'm just using another contour powder to set the cream powder. And now I'm cutting my cheeks to make that contour poppin' as fuck. Now I'm just adding some e.l.f. blush. I think that's, I don't know what it's called. But to set everything in place, I'm going to be using the same coconut prime water. And now I'm just going to be finishing it with the Wet n Wild highlighter Golden Crown, I think that's what it's called. And of course adding my lipstick, which is the Morphe Taunt. And that will be it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys want to keep on watching my videos, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.